the reason we have so many testing is because it really does depend, but some broad strokes that maybe I can paint for everyone. This is the hardest thing to get a sense of is like what actually belongs on the front of pack or on the packaging in general. And because you really do have a limited space, it's not one thing, but what it is this like magic recipe that works. And so the nuance in trying to figure out that recipe that works for your brand has a few pieces, like the amount of information you're trying to put forward can become counterproductive. Like can get cluttered and the visuals there. Trying to understand what's communicated visually versus verbally. I think it all comes down to also is what is the need the consumer has or want, and how does the product solve it? And you kind of think about if I'm in a retail setting, I have lots of choices, and the human brain needs to kind of narrow down into process of elimination. So most important is you actually need to be properly categorized. Like I need to understand what this product is, what it does, and then a lot of times there's so much subcategorization. It's just kind of getting down eliminated. So now I've got a workable set of product to choose from for the consumer, and then conveying in the right order the differentiators and what you're doing. And again, what I said is like, is that visual, is it verbal, and a sizing of words. And so a lot of the work that we do is understanding what belongs on front of pack, and then also the hierarchy, which visually translates into emphasis, placement on pack, and getting all the sequencing right to communicate, because it doesn't really happen in like a lockstep. It's like almost instantaneous. It's like judgment.